Hi guys, this is Pradhan Gupta in front of you. I am the student of Step by Step class from Gold Badge, and I want to become a successful person in my life. That level what I want to achieve very soon, and I would like to start my topic. I am here to discuss about my testimonial today, about my journey when I had started class and how was my condition, and now whatever changes I have got in these years, something around 4 or 5 years, whatever I have improved in myself, that I want to discuss. So I would like to start it. Hi everyone. As we all know, I am the student of I was the student of Guru Gobind Singh Hindi High School from Hindi medium school. So there I was not getting any benefit of English subject. I was a topper in maths, I was topper in Hindi, Marathi, and all these languages, but except English. I was passing by doing some cheating or doing some techniques. We were passing in my whole group. But when I started our step by step class, and I remember I was in 9th when I had started our class, and within a week I had got something new ideas about how to learn English very correct. Means by making words we can learn English very fluently, by making sentences very easy by breaking words we can read it very clearly. These all ideas within week or within 2-3 weeks we have got it, how to learn it very fastly. And if I discuss about middle of our journey, when we were in mid of our journey, so there we had learned lot of things, just like we had learned how to present ourselves, because in Hindi medium students, their knowledge, they are having so much knowledge. There is no doubt in Hindi medium, Marathi medium students, they are having so much knowledge, but they are not having that much confidence to present themselves in front of anyone. Even they are not confident to talk with their parents also. That much lack of confidence we were having. But just because of this our step by step class, I have learned how can I present myself in front of that person I even don't know about him. Just like by doing assignments with doctors, engineers, and so on. So many people we have done assignment with them. That much times we have done assignment that we don't fear to talk with anyone. And to go on the stage, my dream was that to go on stage to speak something in front of people and they should listen it. They should listen it. And even I have presented myself in grand finale also. More than 2-3 times I have presented there, and even people also liked my speech, whatever I was saying. So all about this, I wanted to say that whenever we do something new, then we fear at starting. Whatever we do, just like when we go for driving a bike, we fear a lot. When we drive a bicycle first time, then we fear a lot. But after having some experience of it, we rock there. Just because of experience, we have got so much nice things, confidence, body language. We have improved ourselves, eye contact, to how to talk with people very fluently. And whatever we are talking, it is not matter of just talking. People should understand our feelings, whatever we want to say. Just like English is a language, it is not just like everyone knows English. Some people know, but the person who doesn't know English, they also should understand whatever we are speaking. This is very much important, and all these things I have learned from step by step class. And also there are lot of things are there to learn. It's like recently my job also is started. There also I am getting so much help just because of English. I am talking there in English with anyone, with the professors also of their when I am in my office, then also I am talking with my colleagues, with my friends in English. And also there are lot of things that are going to be changed in myself. Just like say that little bit fear is there in myself, but also I am going to overcome with it. So this is my journey of our step by step class from starting to till now, and I think I am not improved myself that much, and also I want to improve it, and very soon this also I am going to correct it. So thank you so much.